The class, don't let's forget that I have started my videos on simple on selling price and cost price, percentage profit and percentage loss. Go and watch my other videos so that you'll be able to understand what I'm about taking now. This is very important before I solve the problem on the board, that we have landed virgin land that is very good for your business. You want to build, you want to construct, you want to, for your own personal use, maybe a mini flat, a 2-bedroom flat, you want to have an apartment of it, or you want to use it for business, maybe for school, hotels. I have a very sure link. I'm connecting you directly to the buyer. Feel free to call my number. It's displayed on the screen. Don't let's forget, we also have online presence. This is Dream Dreams Tutorial Center. Or you want to come physically, Dream Dreams Tutorial Center is the best class to be. Or you want to connect with us online, Dream Dreams Online Tutorial Center. Our number is displayed on the screen. Our physical presence is 4 Mega OLABOSHINDE CRESCENT, GBERIGBE Road, IKORODU, Lagos. So let's solve the problem on the board. We have, if an item which costs 20,000 naira is sold at its max price, the seller would make 25% profit. If a discount of 10% is given to a friend, the new percentage profit is, I've given you the formula for percentage profits. Go and check my other video. I will also be dropping the link of the previous video I've solved with this question. I'll be dropping it in the description box. Feel free to go and watch the video. So, an item which costs, this is the cost price, you write CP as the cost price, is sold at its max price. The seller will make 25% profit. So they've given us two information. Once they give us profit, percentage profit, and they give us the cost price, the selling price is always very easy to know. And this is the formula I do use. Our selling price is 100% of cost price. If the seller is making a profit, add 100 to the question, to the figure given. If the seller is making a loss, remove the value from 100%. Simple as ABC. So let me calculate the selling price. So the selling price is, they give us 25% profit. So we're adding 100 to this 25. That will be 125 over 100 times the cost price. That is 20,000 naira. So let me cancel the zeros. So I want to multiply 125 and 200. So 125 times 200. So we are left with 25,000 naira. Telling us that the 25,000 naira and the cost price, the selling price is greater than the cost price. That means our calculation is on board. It's a very good answer. The question now says, if a discount of 10% is given, discount means the reduction in the cost of an item. I wanted to sell a biro for 20 naira. Because I'm selling it to a friend, I'm going to give a discount, maybe 2%, 3%, just to encourage him. So discount is always on the selling price, reduction in the price of the thing you are selling to a friend. So reduction, discount is defined as a rebate in the cost of an item, but actually it's on the selling price. So we have the new selling price now. So the new selling price will be, a discount is given. That's, we are going to remove what? 10 from 100. That is 90 over 100. I told you that the discount is always on an item. So we are selling this for 25,000 naira, and they give us a discount of 10%. That's why I'm removing 10 from 100. See it here. So times 25,000. You are not going to say 90% of cost price. Discount is always on the amount you are selling a good, that's selling price. So 2 zeros cancel 2 zeros. I'm multiplying 90 and 250. So 90 and 250. So that will give us 22,500. So the new selling price now is 22,500. The question says, what will be the percentage profits? So percentage profits, our formula for percentage profit is selling price minus cost price over cost price times 100. So let's key in the formula there. Our percentage profit, our profit is the subtraction of these two. So let me subtract and get the figure. So that will give you 22,500. Our cost price is 20,000 over the cost price 20,000 times 100. So if you do this very well, I'm writing the answer immediately. 20 cancel 20. So I'm left with 22,500 minus 20,000. So I'm dividing it by 200. So the final answer is 12.5%. So we have 12.5%, which is our option A. See the information I've analyzed here. Some students don't like word problems at all, but see how I've analyzed it here. Share it to as many educational groups as you can, and they'll be very happy you did. See you in my next video. Bye.